If you've got a 69 to 72 GMC Jimmy, or you've got the equivalent Chevy Blazer, on the back of your hatch right here, these supports, they get busted all the time and they just wear out and they rattle around. A lot of people take them out and lose them. So for all of those problems, we've got you new modern gas charged shocks. It's really easy to install. You only need a Phillips head screwdriver and hopefully a buddy, but if you don't, then I'll show you a way around that too. Let me show you what the kit comes with. It comes with your brackets for both sides. Comes with 2 gas charged shocks, and you even get the nice shiny nuts and everything that comes with it. Now it's nice if you have a buddy helping you, but if you don't, a stick always comes in handy. I'm just going to jam this in the middle there a little bit, get some support. And I'm going to go ahead and get a Phillips head screwdriver, which more than likely these screws will be, and I'll take off the bottom first. Now the reason I'm doing that is because if I take off the top first, this is all going to be coming down here and getting in my way, possibly scratching up my paint. So if I take off the bottom first, this will just hang here nice and neat and it's not going to get in my way. Then I can take off my top. So let me get these guys out of here. You know, of course, you might want to put a little bit of oil on there a day or so before. Don't get too crazy on this either. This is fiberglass and it's relatively tough, but it can get old and brittle. And if you get too aggressive on stuff, you can cause yourself problems you don't want. Here's the 2 different brackets that it comes with. It's pretty easy to tell where they're going to go because the holes just line up or not. Now, this guy right here, you could lay it this way or that way, but that way would be wrong. And it's pretty easy to see because if you put it up here the wrong way, it's going to be sticking out and over and not look attractive or correct. So we'll go ahead and get this guy in first. Then we'll get our bottom bracket in. When you're tightening these down, don't get over torquey. Again, this is fiberglass. Just snug up one side a little bit, snug up the other side a little bit. Make sure you don't hear any fiberglass cracking or breaking. And we got that tight. Now this is going to go right here where the old one went, and you could obviously put it like that, but it's wrong. This is going to go down on the bottom, and it's just going to screw in same. Once you've got that in, you can go ahead and install your shock. Go ahead and install the gas chamber at the top. Now these got little clips in them, and all you got to do is push on. You'll hear the clip go in. They already have oil in there. I suppose you could put a little bit more on if you are worried, but not necessary. And this guy here, I'll take my friend out, come down a little bit, and pop this guy on. Now let me do the other side and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. So you can see in no time at all with a Phillips head screwdriver, you're going to be able to take your hatch and move it into the future with nice modern gas charged shocks. You don't have to worry about the older ones collapsing, coming down, smacking you on the head. You be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to the YouTube channel because we're working hard every day to get these things out there for you. We'll see you on the road.